Alright, it's been a long time coming. Medyo matagal na tayong hindi nakapag-review. But here is my full review of Larsen Il Canone Soloist Direct and Focus. Okay, so nagpalit ako yata I think around mid-July to August, no? Para matesting yung strings na to. So I bought this of Stringer PH. Check nyo na lang dito sa ililink ko din sa description box kung saan pwedeng bumili itong string tube that contains 2 sets plus 2 E strings per set ng Il Canone Soloist Direct and Focus by Larsen. Okay? So, inside, syempre, meron siyang dalawang E-string per set. So, basically, you'll get around 10 strings, no? Kasi, isang full set plus an extra E-string for both sets. So, kaya ako ginagawa to kasi more than 6 months na yung strings. And, ayun, naputol na yung E-string niya. Actually, naputol siya, I think, 1st of December 1 yata. Hindi ko lang maalala kung tama ba. Or later. Pero basta naputol siya. Yun, nung December. And I continued. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano to. No? Shout out nga pala kay Rafi. So binigyan niya ako ng E-string kasi naputol during the event. No? Ayan. So ngayon, ito na yung itsura niya. So G, D, A, and E string. So papansin nyo yung A string nagbabakbak na siya. The D string is a bit damaged na din. Tapos ayan, hindi ko alam kung anong E string to pero ayan, baka pwede nyo i-ID ko anong klase E string. So ngayon magpapalit ako since January na and marami pa rin events. Thank you po sa mga nagbo-book sa amin. Ayan. So magpapalit ulit ako ng another set. Pero marami pa akong E string dito. Kasi nga, hindi ko pa rin nagamit. So, gusto ko sana magpalit ako, full set ulit. So, ngayon na yung best time for me kasi medyo nakakapahinga na konti. Okay, so, pag-usapan natin yung strings. So, overall, maganda yung response niya sa violin ko. When I draw the bow on the string, very responsive. Malakas yung tapon niya, maganda yung tunog. But for its price point, sobrang mahal. Siguro not for the ordinary hobbyist violinist na hindi mo siya magagamit sa mga concerts, kung pang bahay-bahay lang, I don't really recommend you buying this. Pero kung professional musicians kayo, maganda yung response niya. I could compare it to higher end strings, no? Better than Dominant Pros for me kasi yun madalas din ginagamit ko. Better sounding plus yung response niya, I think it's faster. And then hindi ko lang sure sa iba pang strings kasi I don't really use high-end Perastro strings. Hindi ako masyado gumagamit kasi parang di siya bagay sa instrument ko. So of course, you have to also understand how your instrument works, kung okay ba siya. But overall, yung direct and focus, kasi nasanay na rin ako dun sa Il Canone Soloist that also came from Stringer, di ba? Na ni-review natin in the previous videos. Maganda yung response niya. This one is an elevated form of that. So, mas responsive pa. Mas maganda yung tunog. Overall, hindi rin ako nakaranas ng hindi ako nakaranas ng super metallic sound even when breaking it in. So within the span of 6 months, siguro yung mga ipopost kong video sa TikTok, mga YouTube shorts, ito na yung ginagamit ko. Kasi right now, I think July pa lang yun. So ito August ko na siya pinalitan. So longevity wise, tumagal naman siya ng more than 6 months. Yung E-string lang bumigay. I think kasalanan ko din kasi in-adjust ko yung bridge ng hindi ko ina-adjust yung so baka fault ko yun. Could have lasted longer kung mas iningatan ko, pero yun, naputol talaga siya Yung A string ko, ayan, nagbabakbak na. Pero I think yung G string would still be usable. So let's try to play with the strings right now. So, paano malalaman kung kailangan mo na magpalit? So, number one, yung response niya nagbabago na. Hindi na ganun kalakas yung tapon, yung projection niya actually. Tapos, yun, hindi na siya super responsive. Plus, mahirap na siya itono. So, nakatono siya. Nakatono yung open strings mo, pero pag tinipa mo, nawawala sa tono. So, isa yun sa mga reasons why you need to change. So, pag ganun na, magpalit ka na. Huwag mo nang hayaang tumagal pa kasi it might affect your playing in the long run. Namaya yung chords mo wala na sa tono, yung mga string crosses mo, no, hindi na siya tumutunog ng ayos. So, you have to change your strings. Okay? So, ako magpapalit na talaga ako kasi overdue na talaga. But, yeah, overall, sulit. Sa 6 months na ginamit ko siya, maganda yung response, super responsive. It's fairly durable. When it comes to tuning, maganda rin. Hindi rin siya mabilis mawala sa tono. Usually, I had this problem if you are following my channel na ang lagi kong reklamo was the A string of a lot of Larsen strings na I think Larsen also confirmed, Stringer also confirmed na it's not just my problem. A lot of other violinists who reviewed their product had the same problems, no? It's not about the weather, but maybe the formula of the A string. Yung laging nawawala sa tono yung A string within the first 20 minutes of you using it. Pag galing siya sa case and then you use it. So yun, hindi ko siya naging ganong kalaking problem sa Il Canone Direct and Focus. So sa akin, hindi ko na siya na-experience dito. Pero additional 2K para hindi ko experience yung A string na problem is a bit high, no? But overall durable, hindi siya madaling masira. I would actually recommend this for a lot of professional musicians, no? But ayun nga, at the end of the day, it's a little bit expensive. I think if you check yung link sa Shopee, it's around 9K. Pero yun, 2 sets na yun. So, sulit na rin naman siya. So, lumalabas around less than 5,000 pesos yata. And then, you get 2 sets na. So, covered na yung isang taon mo siguro. Kasi kung tatagal siya ng 6 months, after 6 months magpapalit ka ulit, covered na. Plus, may extra E-string ka pa kung sakaling maputol. So, this is a good option from Stringer PH na nagbebenta sila ng string tube. Plus, of course, hindi na ganun katagal yung break-in period because it's not wound inside a small packet. Pero yun, mahirap dalin, especially sa case ko. Yung case ko, di ba, cute. Walang lalagyan ng string tube, so it's hard to transport lang. So ako iniiwan ko to sa bahay, kaya nangyayari, pag napuputulan ako, sa bahay pa ako makakapagpalit ng nung Larsen Direct and Focus. So may baon naman akong ibang string. But yun, nasalba ako ni Rafi doon sa last gig ko. Anyway, overall, I would highly recommend this na matry ng mga professionals. For hobbyists, I think if you have the budget, maybe treat yourself once in a while. Siguro, para lang ma-experience, for the experience. Especially kung medyo magaling na din kayo. Kasi kung nagsisimula pa lang, it's not really beginner friendly to put like a 5,000 peso set of strings on a 5,000 peso violin, 'di ba? Parang medyo conflicting na ilagay mo siya. So, I have a lot of cheaper alternatives if you wanna try getting into the higher end strings. Pero I wouldn't really suggest you buying this unless you really need it. Like for example, may mga music student ka, may solo concert ka, may recital, yun, magagamit mo talaga siya. And ang maganda nga dito, hindi siya mabilis mag-fade yung sound. So, I think over 3 months, maganda pa rin yung tapon niya. Like, every time I use it within the span of 3 months from August to October, parang malakas pa din yung tapon, okay pa din yung projection, madali pa rin siya itono, no? Kasi I also used another violin, no, from Stringer din, na pina-playtest niya sa akin. And I will also, maybe I'll do a short first impressions din sa Il Canone Gold naman sa next video natin. But yeah, focus natin dito sa Il Canone Direct and Focus. Very direct and focus talaga yung sound niya compared to the soloist lang na model. And I think may lower model pa doon eh. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I think I tried that also. So, if you're gonna buy it, I highly recommend getting this one, the string tube. Kasi nga mas mura siya. And but yun lang, wala kang pang flex na packaging, 'di ba? Kasi string tube lang siya. Pero if you're not really into those kinds of things, and makakamura ka na almost around, I think 3 to 4K yung madi-discount mo pag ito yung binili mo compared dun sa naka-package, kasi I think it's around 6,000. Isang set lang yun. May e-string naman din yun na extra, but yeah, it's a little bit expensive na pang araw-araw, no? So maybe if you wanna treat yourself to nice sounding strings, no, and tingin nyo bagay sa violin nyo, and you can try this out, no? Order kayo kay Stringer PH. Ililink ko sa baba. Over on their Instagram or on their other e-commerce platforms, kasi dun talaga sulit. Okay? So if you have any questions, comment down below. We'll try to answer that in another video. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa konting review na ginawa natin. So that is my full review of, again, Larsen Il Canone Soloist Direct and Focus. And this has been Ryan Monakil, and I'll see you on the next video.